Yo guys, today I'm going to show you what's the new in the version of Affinity update 3.1. So under the adjustment brush tool, you can find the tone brush tool, which works in the same way as the dodge and burn. If the foreground color is white, it is going to brighten the picture, as you can see. This is dependent on the hardness. If hardness is higher, the object that you are brushing will be higher, as you can see. Or if you switch the color to the black, the object where you brushing will be darker. So that's the first feature. The second, let me just quickly remove the background to show you this one. The next one is convert into curves. Okay, let's just do this real quick. Yeah, it's very poor, but this is just for the demonstration purposes. Okay, so you go to vector and convert to curves. And now your object is converted to curve, as you can see. In the dependency of the foreground color, it will get that color that you select. As you can see, we can use this red. It will be red. This is awesome for a logo design. As you can see, this is now in curves, and it has a lot of nodes. As you can see, you can move them and do whatever you want. You can manipulate with them as you wish. Okay. And oh yeah, I forgot this one. In the settings, you now can use light UE. Yeah, you can use this, as you can see, but actually I'm not fond of this. The darker is much better. It works better for me. And yeah, the last I need to put some pictures. Let's, for example, take forest. Yeah, let's take this bright one, this darker one, this one, and this one, for example. Okay, now put our object at the top, and now with this object selected, go to pixel, and there is live tone blend group. You can choose the slide if you want, but I recommend to leave it as it is. And now, as you change the background, it will automatically blend with the background, as you can see. Yeah. Now it would be much easier to blend two photos into the one. And that's it. Enjoy your new update, and thanks for watching.